Hey everybody. Today's project, my son brought his four-wheeler over, or four-runner over, and putting new tires and wheels. Of course you got to put a lift kit on to get those on, so working on the back right now. Front steering and suspension is totally wasted, so we're going to replace all that with the lift, put these new wheels and tires on, and then we'll get all this stuff put in. All of this goes for a 5-speed swap. Drive lines, cross members, all that, pedals, and transmission transfer case right there. But that's later on. And this thing will be looking pretty good. He got it at auction about a month ago or so. And yeah, it's kind of a heap, but he's getting it there. And as soon as we're done with that, I've got this mess going on with the 31. Pulled the head off. It was leaking, making a mess. Had an exhaust leak. Had 31 pounds in this rear cylinder when I did a compression check. And 51, 55, 59. So figure, well, got to get in there, lap the valves. I'm going to put new valve springs and a new Rex distributor thingy on there, so you don't have to advance or retard the timing anymore. And new head gasket, of course. New leakless water pump and fan belt. Just the usual kind of maintenance type stuff. But this thing's been neglected and abused. It wasn't running good, but it'll run good when I'm done with it. So I'll get it figured out. Then I'll flush all the coolant passages in the radiator, and should be on the road here in another week because I got parts coming today. I just need to find a spring compressor and get these valves lapped and put her back together. So that's it for what's going on in here. So that's it. America.